Hey woodworking enthusiasts, are you tired of having limited space in your workshop? Ever wondered which jointer planer combo machine would give you the best bang for your buck? Today, we're diving deep into the world of jointer planer combinations, reviewing 7 outstanding machines that could revolutionize your woodworking experience. Number 7. Grizzly 8 inches Benchtop Planer. The Grizzly G0958 comes with a 1.5 HP motor and features a helical cutter head with 18 indexable carbide inserts. While the machine offers decent performance for its size, I found the 8-inch width capacity somewhat limiting when working with wider boards. The die-cast aluminum infeed and outfeed tables are adequate, but they don't provide the same stability as cast iron construction found in higher-end models. During my testing, I noticed that the transition between jointer and planer modes takes about 3 minutes, which can be frustrating when you need to switch frequently. The process requires rotating the jointer fence, removing it from its bracket, and repositioning the dust shroud. Additionally, the tables are relatively short, making it challenging to work with longer pieces without additional support stands. The machine does shine in terms of portability and space-saving design. At just 60 pounds, it's easy to move around the shop or transport to job sites. The helical cutter head produces surprisingly clean cuts with minimal tear-out, even on difficult grain patterns. The dust collection system works reasonably well through the 2 to 1.5 inch port, though you'll definitely want to connect it to a proper dust collector. The fence system includes stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees, which is convenient for basic beveling operations. For hobbyists with space constraints, this machine offers decent value, but professionals might find its limitations frustrating for larger projects. Number 6. Grizzly G0959 12-inch Combo Planer Jointer. The G0959 represents a step up from its 8-inch sibling, featuring a 12-inch cutting capacity and 28 indexable carbide inserts in its helical cutter head. During my testing, I found the machine produced impressive surface quality on various wood types, from vertical grain fir to knotty pine. However, the 1.5 HP motor shows its limitations when working with hardwoods, restricting the depth of cut to about 1/37 inch to avoid bogging down. The transition between modes remains time-consuming, requiring careful realignment of the fence each time you switch functions. The machine operates relatively quietly thanks to the helical cutter head design, which is a significant advantage in smaller workshops. The carbide cutters can be rotated to expose fresh edges when dulled, providing good long-term value. The dust collection system with a 4-inch port works effectively, though you'll need a robust dust collector to keep up with the volume of chips produced. The die-cast aluminum tables are well machined, but don't quite match the stability of heavier cast iron construction. Despite some limitations, the G0959 offers good value for small to medium-sized workshops, especially considering its price point under $1,200. Number 5. Ridgid JP610 Planer. The Ridgid JP610 combines functionality with durability in a compact 6/10/8-inch jointer planer package. During my extensive testing, the heavy-duty 1 HP induction motor proved remarkably quiet while delivering consistent performance across various hardwoods and softwoods. One standout feature is the fully enclosed motor design, which effectively prevents sawdust contamination, a common issue in many workshop environments. The blade guard and included push blocks provide excellent safety features that don't compromise the workflow. I particularly appreciated the smooth cutting action, which produced clean, precise results even on challenging grain patterns. The dual bevel fence system offers impressive versatility with preset stops at 45, 90, and 135 degrees. This feature proved invaluable when working on complex joinery projects, allowing for quick and accurate angle adjustments without constant recalibration. The fence remained solid and true throughout testing, showing no signs of deflection under pressure. The machine's wide stance cabinet design provides exceptional stability during operation, while the thoughtful inclusion of onboard storage for blade alignment tools and accessories helps keep the workspace organized. The generous 45-inch tabletop is a game changer when working with longer boards, offering superior support without the need for additional outfeed tables. The dust collection system performs admirably, keeping the work area clean and maintaining visibility during operation. While the 6 to 1/8 inch width capacity might seem limiting compared to larger models, it's more than adequate for most hobbyist and small shop applications, striking an excellent balance between capability and space efficiency. 4. Grizzly G0634X. The Grizzly G0634X represents a significant step up in power and capability with its robust 5 HP motor and 12-inch cutting capacity. During testing, the V-helical cutter head with 48 indexable carbide inserts delivered exceptionally smooth cuts with minimal tear-out, even on highly figured woods. The machine's conversion between jointer and planer modes is remarkably straightforward, featuring flip-up tables and a convenient change lever. This thoughtful design significantly reduces setup time and frustration compared to other combo machines. The end-mounted fence is particularly clever, allowing the machine to be positioned against a wall without compromising functionality. One of the most impressive features is the rubber-coated outfeed roller, which effectively eliminates the roller marks that often plague lesser machines. The 22 FPM feed rate strikes an ideal balance between productivity and cut quality. The cast iron construction throughout provides excellent vibration dampening, resulting in superior finish quality. The dual 4-inch dust ports ensure excellent chip evacuation, while the maximum planar stock thickness of 8 inches provides ample capacity for most woodworking applications. The jointer table size of 14 inches by 59.5 inches offers generous support for longer workpieces, and the fence stops at 45 degrees and 90 degrees are precise and reliable. The 704-pound weight might seem daunting, but it translates to rock-solid stability during operation. The machine's overall build quality is exceptional, with precise machining and attention to detail evident in every component. The US-based customer service and comprehensive manual make setup and maintenance straightforward, even for less experienced users. 3. Hammer A331. Taking the third position, the Hammer A331 showcases exceptional Austrian engineering with its powerful 4.0 HP motor and innovative silent power spiral cutter head containing 70 4-sided carbide inserts. This cutting system delivers exceptional results on challenging woods like quarter-sawn white oak, figured maple, and interlocked grain jatoba with minimal tear-out. The solid cast iron tables ensure accuracy for both jointing and planing operations, while the 55-inch jointing bed provides excellent workpiece support. The specially machined surfaces deliver very smooth sliding action, and the heavy extruded aluminum fence is machined dead flat and straight. The machine features superior dust collection capabilities, among the best seen in jointer planer combinations. The conversion between jointing and planing modes takes approximately 1 minute, with time mostly spent cranking the planer bed. The feed system performs exceptionally well, automatically grabbing boards and feeding them smoothly regardless of the depth of cut. The silent power cutter head significantly reduces noise levels during operation and provides minimal tear-out on difficult woods, enhanced chip ejection, longer tool life, and more economical power consumption. The machine can be positioned just inches from a wall while maintaining full functionality, and an optional mortising unit can be attached to transform it into a 3-in-1 combination machine. 2. RIKON 12-inch planer jointer. The RIKON 25212H combines professional-grade features with a powerful 3 HP motor and a helical cutter head containing 34 4-sided carbide inserts. The machine's robust construction includes all-metal components with precision-machined table surfaces that ensure accuracy and flatness. The helical cutter head operates at 5,500 RPM, delivering 16,500 cuts per minute for exceptional surface quality. Each carbide insert measures 15 mm by 15 mm by 2.5 mm and can be rotated 4 times before replacement, providing excellent long-term value. The 2-row insert design ensures clean, efficient cutting while minimizing noise during operation. The planer section features a maximum cutting width of 12 inches and height capacity of 8 inches, with a consistent feed rate of 23 feet per minute. The joiner tables measure 12 inches by 27 inches, providing adequate support for most workpieces. The fence system includes positive stops at 90 degrees and 45 degrees with a substantial fence size of 43 to 1/4 inch by 6 inches. The machine's dust collection system connects to a 4-inch port and effectively removes chips during both planing and joining operations. The front-mounted power switches ensure quick access for emergency shutdowns. RIKON backs this machine with a comprehensive 5-year warranty, demonstrating confidence in its durability. Jet 12-inch planer jointer. The Jet JPJ12BHH represents premium engineering with its helical cutter head featuring 42 4-sided carbide inserts. The machine's parallelogram bed design maintains exceptional accuracy and precise table alignment throughout its range. The heavy-duty cast iron construction includes ground-finished tables that ensure accuracy and flatness. The quick-change system between modes is particularly well designed, with the fence remaining in place during conversion, a significant time-saving feature. The extra-large aluminum extruded fence includes centered controls for quick adjustments. The planer section handles stock up to 12 inches wide and 8 to 3/4 inches thick, with a 2-speed feed rate ranging from 16 to 26 FPM for optimal finish control. The jointer table spans 55 inches by 12 to 30 inches, providing excellent workpiece support. The powerful 3-HP motor operates at 230 volts and requires a 30-amp circuit. The machine's dust collection system requires a minimum of 550 CFM through its 4-inch port. The overall dimensions of 55 to 7/16 inch by 28 to 15/6 inches by 40 inches make it suitable for medium to large workshops, while its 453-pound weight ensures stability during operation. The helical cutter head inserts measure 0.59 by 0.59 and provide superior finish quality on challenging woods. That's all for today, folks.